YouTube channel promoting explained for beginners. The more attention you can bring to your YouTube channel when you are first starting out, the better. If you want to grow your YouTube audience and be successful on YouTube, then you need to integrate your YouTube channel across YouTube, as well as on external locations as a way to showcase your YouTube channel's content. Here are a few methods that can help you promote your YouTube channel. 1. Cross-promote with other YouTubers. 2. Take advantage of email marketing. 3. Promote your videos on social media. 4. Invest in YouTube advertising. We hope you enjoyed this short video about YouTube channel promoting. Please click the link below this video to claim your YouTube SEO 8-part series and YouTube backlink generator software for free. Thank you and have a great day.